Nearly 820 million rand of Gauteng's budget will be used to improve the management of public funds, expand on service delivery and facilitate economic growth during the 2023-2024 financial year. Now, economic cluster MECs in the province today outlined their plans, which includes the establishment of a state bank and a pharmaceutical company. Business reporter Ntokozo Khumalo was there and filed this report.
The state bank and state pharmaceutical company is more than a decade in the works. However, it seems the government is now ready to get the ball rolling to cut the red tape in South Africans accessing financial services and healthcare.
We need to free them from the stranglehold inside the Department of Health and make sure that we can create an entity that stands on its own, that will have a CEO, that will have a chief risk officer, an entity that will have a CFO qualified, an entity that will make sure that it has capacity for human resource management.
He adds that progress has been made towards establishing the pharmaceutical company as well as the state-owned bank, and that this financial year, the focus will be on developing the business case for the two entities. The Gauteng province will channel its budget for the 2023-2024 financial year towards further developing the township economy as well as finding alternative sources of energy so that the province is less reliant on the grid.
The first fact to accept is that there is an economy in the township. And what does it need? So it needs support, it needs infrastructure, different support could be funding. Access to markets is a big issue for any business, more for township businesses.
Some of these investments include the development of the property sector in townships and other economic hubs. She further says that her department notes how load shedding is affecting businesses' ability to survive and is investing in alternative sources of energy.
One that we has been long in the making, and that is the solar farm out in the West Rand. Part of our SEZs, not directly, of course indirectly, it will support that. We're looking at 1,000 megawatts that it can produce. It's going to produce adequate energy for the SEZ, but also the surrounding economies, communities, businesses as well.
The MEC says they will be working on improving supplier payments in the province as well as make it easier for businesses to thrive. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ntokozo Khumalo in Johannesburg.